In this video, you will learn about best 5 minutes chest workout. Strengthen and tone. Is it okay to have chest fat? How to do chest fly. Do dips increase chest? Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Hey fitness enthusiasts! Today, I've got a powerhouse 5-minute chest workout that will strengthen and tone your upper body like never before. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these exercises are designed to maximize efficiency and results right from the comfort of your home. We'll kick things off with a series of dynamic push-ups, engaging your chest, shoulders. Each rep counts towards sculpting that defined chest you've been aiming for. Next up, we'll transition into incline push-ups, targeting the upper chest area to ensure a balanced and comprehensive workout for those looking to intensify their routine. Dive into diamond push-ups, a challenging variation that hones in on your chest muscles. With precision, focus on form and controlled movements to amplify the burn and maximize gains in minimal time. To cap off our session, we'll wrap with plyometric push-ups, elevating your heart rate while pushing your chest muscles to the limit. These explosive movements not only build strength but also enhance your overall cardiovascular endurance. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate this quick yet effective chest workout into your weekly routine to see noticeable improvements in strength, muscle definition, and endurance. Push yourself, stay hydrated, and fuel your body with proper nutrition to optimize your fitness journey. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health, and hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's build a community dedicated to achieving our fitness goals together. Ready to transform your chest workout? Let's dive in and elevate your fitness game with the best 5-minute chest workout. Get ready to feel the burn and see results faster than ever before. It's time to discuss, is it okay to have chest fat? Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: chest fat. Whether you're new to fitness or have been on your journey for a while, understanding the dynamics of chest fat and how to manage it effectively is crucial. Firstly, it's important to recognize that having some chest fat is normal and natural for many individuals, regardless of gender. However, excessive chest fat can sometimes be a concern for both aesthetic reasons and potential health implications. To address this, we'll explore targeted exercises that can help reduce chest fat and tone your pectoral muscles. Incorporating high-intensity interval training height workouts, focusing on compound movements like push-ups, and integrating cardio exercises into your routine can all contribute to burning calories and reducing overall body fat, including chest fat. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables, while minimizing processed foods and sugars, plays a significant role in managing body fat levels. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and results may vary. It's essential to approach fitness with patience, consistency, and a positive mindset. Celebrate your progress along the way and stay committed to your goals. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Together, we can strive for healthier, stronger bodies and embrace the journey towards fitness and wellness. So, whether you're looking to understand chest fat better or seeking practical tips to enhance your fitness routine, let's navigate this journey together. Embrace your body, prioritize your health, and let's empower ourselves with knowledge and action. It's time to discuss, do dips increase chest? Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Hey fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a popular question among those looking to enhance their chest muscles: the effectiveness of dips in chest. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, understanding how dips can impact your chest gains is crucial. Dips are a compound exercise that primarily targets the triceps and deltoids, but they also engage the chest muscles significantly, especially when performed with proper form and technique. The movement involves lowering and raising your body weight using parallel bars or a dip station, which activates the chest muscles to stabilize and assist in the movement. To maximize chest engagement during dips, focus on leaning slightly forward and allowing your elbows to flare outwards during the descent. This helps to emphasize the chest muscles over the triceps and shoulders. Avoid leaning too far forward or backward, as this can shift the emphasis away from your chest and compromise your form. Incorporating dips into your workout routine can complement other chest-focused exercises like bench presses and push-ups, offering variety and challenging your muscles from different angles. Remember, consistency and progressive overload are key factors in muscle growth and development. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's build a community dedicated to achieving our fitness goals together. Whether you're aiming to increase chest size, strength, or overall upper body endurance, incorporating dips into your training regimen can be a beneficial addition. Stay dedicated, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey of sculpting a stronger, more